In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Biometrics and Password. Now tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, you can disable or enable Rise to Wake feature by clicking on this square and then select Get Started at the bottom. Lastly, just keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to disable it, click on Face Recognition, enter your screen lock, and tap on Unlock Device. Then select Off. You can also disable Face Unlock completely by deleting face data. If you want to do that, just click on Delete Face Data and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!